What's the meaning of colorway? Colorway. Colorway.
Colourway. Colourway. Colorway refers to the combination of colors used in a design or product. It is commonly used in the fashion and design industries to describe the various color options available for a particular item. Creating different colorways allows for greater customization and variety in products, as well as catering to different preferences and tastes. A well-executed colorway can enhance the overall aesthetic appeal and marketability of a product, while a poor colorway can detract from its value and impact.